right, we just started off with half a bag of our Tostito rounds, all in our air fryer. Next, I'm coming in with a small can of my red enchilada sauce, and we're gonna drizzle that right over our chips. Yummy. I absolutely love this super easy air fryer dinner. It's great for a weekday dinner where you don't wanna cook. Next, I'm coming in with my rotisserie chicken that I shredded, and we're gonna go ahead and add a generous amount of chicken right on top of our chips and our enchilada sauce. Yummy. Ooh, that chicken is flying, and this is gonna be so good. I'm using chicken, but you can use beef, you can use carnitas, you can use whatever meat you like. And I think that should be plenty of chicken for this serving. And we're just gonna go ahead and kind of spread that out using our little rubber spatula. Delicious. Now, because this was a rotisserie chicken, it wasn't seasoned, so we're gonna add some taco seasoning. And you can add as little or as much as you like. You can also customize your seasoning if you don't like taco seasoning, but that looks beautiful. For some extra flavor, I'm gonna add a can of green chilies, and we're just gonna plop that right on there, and then grab our spatula and spread that out so it covers the chicken, it covers the chips, the enchilada sauce. Beautiful. I have one more can of my red enchilada sauce that we are gonna put right on here. We want these to be some wet chips. So make sure you get it on the back, on the sides, so they can get covered. Now, of course, the only thing this is missing, some cheese. So I found this nacho taco cheese, and we're just gonna evenly spread our cheese right on top of our entire air fryer. This already smells so delicious. I absolutely love this recipe. You can even make it in the oven if you don't have an air fryer. It's so easy. Literally anyone can make it. Your kid can help you make it, and it's gonna be ready in minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and get one more handful on there, and that looks beautiful. Okay, let's put our air fryer in. We're gonna turn it on. Air fryer, we want the temp to be at 350. And then this is gonna be in there for only 8 minutes. That's how quick it is. All right, let's start. Yum. Oh, 8 minutes is up. Let's check these out. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh my goodness, this came out way better than I expected. Oh my goodness. So our enchilada nachos are ready. Ooh, I am gonna get a good amount of this. This is for me and my husband, which is why it's such a big serving. But look at all that juiciness. We have some wet chips, we have some crunchy chips. It's all, everything in one. Oh, perfect. And every good enchilada has some sour cream. So I'm gonna grab my sour cream and just do a dollop of Daisy right on top. Beautiful. Okay, it's time to give these a try. They look so good. That cheese was absolutely gorgeous. Wow. These are so good.